How to log into Wikipedia account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, open Play Store or App Store on your device. Then on the search bar, you want to search for Wikipedia. Then tap on the install button to install this application on your device. Once installed, tap on the open option. Alternatively, you can also open Wikipedia web page on your web browser. Now tap on the three lines at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on Login/Join Wikipedia option. Now, if you do not have an account, you will have to create one first. For that, enter your username. Then you want to create a password. Repeat the password again for confirmation. You can also enter your email ID, but this is optional. It is recommended since email is needed for account recovery. Now tap on the next button. Follow the on-screen prompts and your Wikipedia account will be created. Once your account has been created, you want to tap on the option of login. Here you want to enter your username. Then enter your password. After that, you want to tap on the login button. And then you will be successfully logged into your Wikipedia account. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.